Welcome to Evaluating Web Pages Credibility. Let's begin. Go to the Digital Literacies LibGuide linked from your course site. Go to the Evaluating Web Pages tab, and then under that tab, click Credibility. First, we will define what we mean by credibility. Credibility refers to the accuracy and trustworthiness of web page content. For a web page to be considered reliable for an academic essay, presentation, or writing assignment, it needs to be evidence-based and well documented. The best documentation requires the web page to have a complete and verifiable list of sources consulted and included in its content. This sources list could be called a works cited list, a references list, or a bibliography. The chart on the credibility page features examples of the most likely formats that a complete and verifiable source list can take. No matter what the format, an in-text citation indicating specific information used, which is on the left column, refers to an entry in the sources list, which is on the right column. And again, that sources list could be called a works cited list, references list, bibliography, endnotes, or footnotes. There are three levels of credibility: most credible, credible, and least credible. Most credible web pages have a complete and verifiable list of sources. This also ensures that the claims made in the web page content are evidence-based. If you click the link to the example for this level of credibility and scroll toward the bottom of the page, you will see that this document contains both a bibliography, which is the full list of sources consulted, and then after that, a list of endnotes, which are specific instances of when those sources were consulted within the content. Credible web pages refer to research studies and consult experts trained to analyze and conduct research, but do not fully document these sources. Credible web pages are acceptable and informative sources for academic assignments. Least credible web pages may be dominated by opinions and speculation that are not informed by research or insights of experts. The purpose of these web pages is often to entertain or to appeal to the emotions rather than present evidence-based findings and rational arguments. Least credible sources should be used sparingly or avoided altogether for college-level assignments. After you have determined what level of credibility your web page has, open the Calculate ESA tab. And fill out the Earned Scholarly Average chart. Notice that there is a section asking for whether your website has footnotes or endnotes or has a bibliography reference section. If at any time you have questions about either what is contained in the digital literacy online page or the sequence of things that you need to do to complete this assignment, go to your course site, people, look for the librarian, email that person in order to get answers to your questions. This is the end of this presentation. Take care. Good luck on the assignment.